Welcome back to Data Shark Academy. So in previous lesson we tried text file, abro file and sequence file. Now the fourth and final type of file that is supported by Sqoop is Parquet file. This is also a binary file, and to run this we need to use the directory called as Parquet file. It's very straightforward. The rest of the command is same as used in previous lessons. So let's try this out on our terminal. Okay, so sqoop, and I will use the option table employees, target directory will be employees Parquet. Okay, and we need as Parquet directory and delete target directory if there's anything. So let's run this. So now it's executing. Okay, so it's connected to Hadoop. Now it's executing the job. Okay, so MapReduce is started. Okay, so 25%, 50, 100. Alright, so it's done. We got all 1000 records. Let's check the data. Okay, so here you see the file names are completely different from what we were getting in previous exercises, and it's because Parquet has its own naming convention. And this is also a binary file, so if you try to open it, it won't be readable. The four of them are data files, last four, and the first two are specific to Parquet. One is the signal and the other is metadata. After this exercise, you have learned how to import the data from a relational table into Hadoop and save it as a Parquet file. And Parquet is also a very common file format used across the industry. So try this out and let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next class. Thank you.